Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mirrorless cameras. On one side, we've got the Sony Alpha ZV-E10, the camera that's practically a social media influencer in a box. And on the other side, the Canon EOS R10, which is a powerhouse for photographers. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get ready to compare these two titans of tech. Who will reign supreme? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the price tag. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is priced at $699, making it a strong contender for those looking for quality without breaking the bank. Reviewers appreciate its value for such a versatile camera, noting that it's a great investment for vloggers and photographers alike. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R10 is priced at $1,099. While it's a bit of a splurge, users highlight its advanced features and build quality, stating that it's worth the investment for serious photographers. In this round, the ZV-E10 takes the win for affordability. Next, let's talk about image quality, because what's the point of a camera if your photos look like they were taken through a potato? The ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 megapixels, APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor, and a fast BIONZX processor, earning praise from users for its impressive color profiles and overall image quality. Similarly, the EOS R10 features a 24.2 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor, but with a DIGICX image processor that enhances performance for ultra-high definition videos. Reviewers have noted that both cameras deliver sharp images, making this round a tie. Now let's roll into video capabilities. The ZV-E10 offers 4K movie oversampled from 6K, with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, making it a favorite among content creators. Users love how easy it is to create professional-looking videos with this camera. The EOS R10 also offers 4K video capabilities, but reviewers have indicated it doesn't quite match the oversampling features of the ZV-E10. Therefore, the ZV-E10 takes the crown in this category. Let's talk autofocus. The ZV-E10 has a feature called the Product Showcase setting that transitions focus from face to object, which users find incredibly useful for vlogging. Meanwhile, the EOS R10 features smart and speedy autofocus with subject detection technology, praised by reviewers for its accuracy. While both cameras perform well, the ZV-E10 edges out slightly due to its specialized feature for content creators, making it a close win. Finally, let's talk usability and design. The ZV-E10 is designed for easy live streaming with just a single USB cable, and users rave about its user-friendly interface. The EOS R10 is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for travel, but some reviewers mention it has a shorter battery life. While both cameras have their strengths, the ZV-E10 takes the point for its streamlined usability, especially for those focused on vlogging. Overall, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is highly praised for its affordability, video capabilities, and ease of use, making it a top choice for vloggers. The Canon EOS R10 is celebrated for its excellent autofocus and image quality, appealing to more traditional photographers. Both cameras have their strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on your needs. So, there you have it. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 takes the crown with its price, video capabilities, and ease of use. But the Canon EOS R10 is no slouch either, especially if you're looking for a robust autofocus system and lens versatility. If you're looking to capture the best cat videos or stream like a pro, the ZV-E10 might be your best bet. But if you want a high-quality camera that can grow with you, the EOS R10 is a solid investment. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which camera you'd choose. Now go out there and make smart purchases. See you next time.